Okay, so I'm just going to show you guys the back here. So this one here is what the hose or drain hose connects to, and all you have to do is remove this little rubber stopper on it originally. So you just pull that out, and then you just push this hose in, and then you tighten it with this, turning it clockwise, and then you just put this end in the bucket here. This one here is the one that connects if you want to connect to your faucet with the hose that they provide. Looks like this. I'm not going to use this. I'm actually going to be filling the dishwasher up here, and then you just have your power cable. So that's what's going on in the back here. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys the first time of me actually using this. Now let me just show you guys my setup. So down below we have the hose from the back end connected into this bucket, and this is just a temporary thing, so I'm going to get a new bucket soon, but that's what we have to work with currently. So let's plug this in. Okay, so it's plugged in. The first I'm going to turn it on, so I'm going to hold this for 3 seconds. Okay, it is on. Okay, so as you can see, it needs water. This is actually the first time I'm going to be running this, so we're going to fill this with water here, and it actually comes with this like water catcher, so we're just going to put it like there, and it's just going to catch all the extra water while I'm pouring into here. So let's use this pitcher that came with it as well, and we're going to fill it with water and just pour it in there. Okay, so I have this pitcher filled up. So according to the instructions here, it will beep for 3 seconds when the water tank is full. So we're just going to keep pouring until the water tank is full. Filling it just like that. All right, this is the second pitcher. Let's see if this does the job. I just noticed that there's actually measurements on here, and I haven't been filling it to the tippy top, but the top is 1.8, and theoretically there should only be 5 liters of water in here, so we should be getting close to the water tank being full. So, oh, there we go. There's the beep. And you can see that the faucet light is no longer on, so that means the water tank is full. So I'm going to fill this dishwasher with dishes. So I'm going to take this off now and put back on the cap. I'm going to dry that up. Okay, so we have all of the dishes in there, so now all we have to do is add the detergent. So I just have the free sample that they actually sent this unit with, so I'm just going to put it in there just like that. So this is where the detergent goes, and looks like what, 9 or 6 yeah, 6 grams. If you just have like a normal liquid on, I mean, I feel like as soon as I close it, it's just gonna go straight under there. But okay, so I have all my dishes in there, and I'm just going to close it like that. Okay, so after you added the detergent, I have it on the normal setting here, and now I'm just gonna hold this for 3 seconds to start. Okay, just like that. You could hear it starting up. And I just want to make sure that my drain bucket is set to actually catch the water here, so you could just hear it going. So let's take a close look at it and see how it starts up here. Okay, so just taking a look in there, you can just see that the water is going at the bottom, and here we go. The detergent is going everywhere. You can see that some water is coming out of the top as well, in addition to just splashing all over the bottom. And right now you're getting a good example of how loud this is. It's actually not too loud. There we go. And just want to show you guys, is there anything draining out yet? Okay, there's nothing draining out quite yet, so I'll assume all the water is still in there, just being worked around, cleaning all the dishes. So another thing I noticed is that this has been counting down, so this seems to be a timer that's going to let us know how long it's going to take for the dishes to be done. So I'm going to just let it run through. And so far, there has been no water coming out yet, so it's still just been working with the same amount of water as before. So that's probably why it only takes 5 liters, because it works with the same amount of water for a little while. So I just came back and checked. Looks like there is some water that actually drained. So it didn't drain the whole thing. Looks like it just kind of drained a little bit throughout. So something to keep in mind. But overall, this was very easy to set up. All I had to do was install the drain plug, plug in the electrical cord, and everything was pretty much ready to go after that. So if you're looking for a no hookup option for a dishwasher, then I would highly recommend picking this up.